A major milestone in India-Nepal trade and connectivity. The first direct commercial freight train arrived at the Nepal Customs Yard in Biratnagar. The train was carrying a consignment of canola grains from Kolkata port, and the arrival marks a new chapter in cross-border rail logistics. The 40-wagon freight train traveled from Kolkata port through the Indian Customs Yard at Jogbani before entering Biratnagar in Nepal. It is being seen as a significant boost to trade, connectivity and economic cooperation between India and Nepal. The development came after the amended transit protocol signed by the two countries in November 2025. The amendment enabled transfer of both containerized and bulk cargo using the Jogbani-Biratnagar rail link. The initiative also facilitated transport from the ports of Kolkata and Visakhapatnam to the Nepal Customs Yard cargo station. With the rail link now operational, it is expected to further consolidate economic and commercial linkages between the two countries. The rail link connecting Jogbani in the Araria district of Bihar directly into the industrial hub of Biratnagar in Nepal was constructed with grant assistance from India. It was jointly inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his then Nepali counterpart, Pushp Kamal Dahal. This was on the 1st of June 2023. The rail link cuts transit logistics cost by almost 30% and reduces transit times to around 24 hours as compared to the road transportation routes. The first commercial freight movement marks the successful implementation of the new transit framework and unlocks the full potential of the cross-border rail link. Apart from reducing logistics costs and time, it will strengthen Nepal's access to Indian ports. It is also expected to give a significant boost to bilateral trade while reinforcing India's role as Nepal's key transit partner.